Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo V90 Cross Country in bright silver metallic with a blonde leather interior. This all-wheel drive station wagon has less than 19,000 miles on it. This one has the advanced package, so you get the 360-degree camera system, the heads-up display, and the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. It is certainly a sunroof open kind of day, so I have the sunroof open. That's a beautiful panoramic sunroof, and it is open as far as it goes. Those 20-inch wheels are super sweet. I like the black along the wheel wells. I think that adds a certain specific flavor to this car. Keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate. This is the T6, so you get a turbo, a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, and that gives you 316 horsepower. So much space in the back. You can put everything in there. I like this silver and blonde combination. You get that scuff plate on the bumper, the little metal plate. The interior is pristine, and these seats are so comfortable. There's a ton of room back here. Power outlet for your passengers. Memory seating for two. And of course all of the safety features standard listed right there. That's part of the IntelliSafe system, which is a radar based system. And this has navigation, easy to use touchscreen. This is where you'll find some of those vehicle functions, your 360 camera system here, and then you can choose whichever view you'd like a closer look at. This has heated steering and heated seats in the front. And then back to this side again, I wanted just to show you that this has the heads-up display. You'll see it there, and it is projected on the windshield right here, and you can add turn-by-turn directions. That road sign information is always helpful, and you can raise and lower that, and the controls. Once you click on this, you'll be able to move that around using your steering wheel controls. This is your home screen. This is the button that'll get you back to square one. All the way to the right, you'll be able to download apps if you'd like. Put Google Maps on here if you're used to that instead of the navigation that's with this. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is a plug you can plug in on the right for that. And then if you drop this menu down, this is where you'll be able to find all of the adjustable settings to create your very own Swedish sanctuary. All right, well, this is stock number 6099A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.